The 2024 Yamaha MT-10, hailed as the darkest energy, stands as Yamaha's most powerful hyper-naked motorcycle. Born from a decade of MT series evolution, it inherits cutting-edge technology from the R1, promising riders an unparalleled blend of power, agility, and adrenaline. The compact headlight assembly, aggressive tank design, and the unmistakable 998 cubic centimeters CP4 engine's deep intake roar contribute to its outstanding mechanical beauty. The lightweight Deltabox chassis harbors advanced electronic rider aids, granting precise control over traction, slides, wheelies, engine braking, and braking. The MT-10 boasts a redesigned body, a potent engine, and a host of features such as a 4.2-inch TFT meter, Brembo Radial Master cylinder, cruise control, and speed limiter. The 2024 model showcases Yamaha's commitment to innovation, offering riders an exceptional experience that aligns with the brand's dark side of Japan ethos. The MT-10's aggressive design, highlighted by the twin-eye LED headlight and large intake ducts, underscores its mechanical beauty. The APS-G throttle with selectable PWR modes, titanium exhaust system, and up-and-down quick shift system contribute to the bike's thrilling performance. The 6-axis IMU, coupled with a suite of rider aids, ensures optimal setup for every ride. Equipped with Bridgestone S22 tires and 90° wheel air valves, the MT-10 delivers top-level traction and ease of maintenance. While the pricing details are yet to be disclosed, the MT-10 specifications promise an unparalleled riding experience for motorcycle enthusiasts, embodying Yamaha's hyper-naked legacy.